Do you know, as a freelancer and somebody who works online, you need a functioning foreign account to receive all your earnings? And today I'm going to show you how to receive all your earnings in GBP, that is British Great Britain pounds, and in US dollar. I have a US bank account that I use to receive my earnings. Let me show you here. You can see it. And also I have a GBP, that's British account I use to receive all my earnings. So you too need something like this to receive your money. But before I get right into it, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where I demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. So you are feel free to ask questions and you can comment down below. So to open this, I will have to show you how to own your own US bank account or British bank account. It is free of charge. So let's dive right into it. So all you need to do is to check into my description down below. In my description, you see the link. So when you click on it, you get a $25 bonus. You both get $25 bonus. Now look at the interface. Let's check on it. Sign up and earn $25. You can see. Let's go through it. So just come to this place. Click on sign up. Now it has opened. You can see, let's find the right account for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best: freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, practitioner, and individual. So I will suggest you click on this freelancer. Okay, so when you click on it, it will take you to this place. It says, let's find the right account for your needs. So this is it. This is the rating they give to it. So click on get the full power of it. Then the right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider. That is if you want to get money from all your clients online, getting paid by clients or via marketplace. So click on register. You can see get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, Jetis Image, and more. You can see it has opened. So now we have two options. Okay, you can see it here. Step 1 of this is the page 1 of it. It said getting started, select your type of business. Please and please select individual. If you select company, have issue your tax and calculate. So just choose individual. Come down to this place, your name, your last name, email address. Then you will enter that email address. Please enter your date of birth. Then click on this. I am not a robot. Okay, so after you've done that, it's loading. You can see it says select all square with motorcycles if there are none. So just select and click on what? Click on next. After you have done verifying, that is the captcha. Type in Nigeria, your street number, your address, your other address is optional, your city, your postal code. Please go to Google and type in the postal code or the zip code for your current city. Whether you're in Lagos, you can just type zip code for Lagos. So it will bring it. To bring those numbers, just copy those numbers and put it in this postal code. Please enter your number. A verification code will be sent. To your number. That's your mobile number. So just put in the mobile number in this verification code. After you click next, you enter your email. You enter your password. Put in your password. Click on this place. Click on this place for your security question. So like, let's see, it's a security question. In which city was your first elementary school? What is your first name? What is the first name of your grandfather, your father's father? What is the street on which you grew? Which high school did you attend? And all of that. So you answer your security question by giving the name here. Then ID details. Choose Nigeria or whichever country. Then you can use this, your national ID, your driving license, your passport, whichever one you want to use. Then you put in the number here, the number of your national ID card or driver's license or international passport, and click on next. So after then, you can see this is the last page 4. It said please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you or your company. So the bank country, that is Nigeria, currency that is in Naira. So click here for account registration guide. Your bank name, you can put First Bank, Sterling Bank, GT Bank, or whichever bank you're using in Nigeria or your country. Then put your name here. You can put the name of your bank here. So this place is provided for you to put your that is your account number. That is maybe your Wema Bank account number or Zenith Bank account number. Then don't forget to click on I agree. Just tick it like this. You can see. Click on it. Then click on this I agree. Then you will just come down to this place which says submit, and that is that on how to set up your Payoneer account. Please, if you find this video valuable, please turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.